We just got our $195 mats for our Tesla Model 3, as these don't come with mats unless you get the performance one, but these look really good. They should retain any spills. So I'm just gonna slip this one in for the driver's side, and it goes right in nice and easy. It's like a perfect fit. Yeah, that's great. It's got the Tesla logo on it. The passenger side. So some of the models do come with mats, and on others you have to purchase them. But we got these by FedEx in about 3 days after we bought them from Tesla. Yeah, they fit in and they look great right off the bat. Tesla logo right there. Back seat ones. Mats going in. Let's just take you a sec. Just gonna slide them in. Yeah, perfect fit. Super cool. And within probably 3 minutes you'll have front and back mats all done. That's great. Thanks so much for watching our video, and please subscribe when you get a chance, and also hit the notification bell so we can send you lots more videos just like this one.